You still like give me money to buy the clothes and do my nails? So the friend I say I'm gonna sponsor my friend to do her ear and back and do her nails. So him say, alright, I'll call her back. Man, say yeah,
So Alicia, remember now when man spend, them a go and get something in return. Man a depend that. Say for that thing depend, man a depend that.
Don't worry yourself, man. I'm gonna call one girl in case if I not want no. Right now I'm gonna call her too.
Alright.
James not coming, alright? James! The boy like outside me a call and answer. James! James!
Yo, Carla. Yeah, come and make a bag of knives like you know used to the place, Carla. Yo, pull a grill and come here. Like you know used to the place.
DJ, you still got the party later? So you don't have nobody to give you money?
I'm not working. I don't have nobody to give me nothing. Not even for beg or borrow.
So that means that you're not going to go then?
Well, that have to just wait and do.
Alright, I see. I go see by later. I go check somebody for you and see by later if I can get no money for you to come at the party.
Really, girl? You did that for me? Oh, that's why I'm here for real, you know. Alright. We chat. Girl, I go on, I carry on. But me take on another level, me no see them at all.
She said she not have nobody to give her no money and she want me to ask my boyfriend to give her money. But she
But
bright.
you know easy.
She bright.
Alicia, I want to ask you something. You that share man?
Girl, what kind of question that you ask me? What kind of man if you share? I'm not share my man. Come like you lick your head when you, your mother lick your head when you smile. You drop and lick your head when you smile. What kind of money I share? My man have money nor food for share. Me a brighty girl. Me not share my man, I'm mad. When girl and my man do things you do better than me and she take him from me, you're mad.
And suppose your man out there with other woman, where that's about that? Where I say? You don't know, you know. Remember saying I'm going to have other woman out there, so where I say?
Well, better off me don't know about him me a share my man, you know, because me know that Dali was thing them mash up. No, keep me mad. In cannot touch my body and then go touch other girl body and come back into me. You mad. In can't do that. That just them both man and woman I got mash up because me a beat the two of them. Me a chop up the man first too. And then we burn down the house with him in there.
Then what if it's a case where me and please your man the right way and you not please him the right way?
And I know circumstances me not share my man. So if me can't please him, I better him go on. Kim, by the way, your son like say you that share your man. So tell me, you that really share your man? You that share your man? Answer my question.
Alicia, if him a pay for my nails, do my ear, buy my clothes, and pay for the bills in the house, so I don't want to like say, yeah, but I share him.
Well, that kind of makes sense because if I do my hair, I do my nails, I buy clothes to me, everything there for me anytime I want something. Yeah, but that's not a case there, yeah, but that share me, yes, making one and do a man to about it.
Enough women out there share their man and they even know.
So anyways, girl, I go up, come have some clothes and I want to finish wash. And I have to go take my boyfriend the money to see if he might be money so I can do my nails. So if I anything later, I come call her and check your back account.
Alright girl, mother is still. I remember to collect the money from the youth.
Alright.
What you wanna sing out yourself, girl?
My friend just left from right, so that's why I'm
So,
going
girl, yeah, yes, the party I keep later, you know, go.
I could have asked her some money, but they say wait for go do my ear. I'll stop now, wait for that. Yeah, go?
Yeah, girl, I'm just one woman gone with my brother, yeah. Come right to kill sometimes if she gone.
So your brother gave money?
Yeah, girl, I'm my father, my brother, the only man them I go take things from. Take man things, though you know I go come after that, though.
As long as I'm my man, I might give him money. I might take him things then.
One always a fair time. What's me dying trial? You not hear me call you, Deidre? You in here listen to Satan music.
Auntie, if me hear him, would answer.
Watch ya. I give me attitude. Watch ya. Look how much dirty plate in I sink. You sit down here and listen to Satan music.
Auntie and me just use them, I can wash them up when I finish.
But Deidre, me need that to come in here and tell you. Say me wash them. Be careful, do something. It's better you going back to your mother, you know? Because it's no help to me. You think me take your ear to come turn worthless? Me take your ear to come out to something. Go watch up the plate then. Me not do it. Me not doing it. I better me send you back to your mother. This don't make no sense.
Carl,
Yeah?
if you ever check my lips, you know.
Yeah.
Like, come back with a bag of nice, Carl, you know. Can't make nobody know it, you know, so. Business, you know. Yeah.
Bless
Girl, see girl I left there now.
Alright, now come go.
Then what did I do right? I know. Hello? Carla. Yeah, man, it's me. You know, say from morning, me day at work, me sweep up the yard, and when me come in at the house, can you imagine, say, DJ dey on phone, I listen to music and the plate them the wash? No, me no know how you do it. No, man, look like some me have to go send her back.
Not talk to her.
It not work out. Me can't take it stress. Me don't want that before time, you know?
Yeah, just tell DJ I'm not gonna talk to her.
No, but you should have grow her to help you out. No, I mean, I want to get in trouble too.
Me I hear you, me I listen to everything, sister.
No, man. Me just say me I go help you out. Me ain't say me that kill myself helping you out. That don't make no sense. No, you need to talk to her.
Alright? I may come down there later, because I have a piece of money for you. Alright?
Yeah, man. Talk to her. Me can't bother. Me can't bother. Yeah, man. Alright. Yeah. Me talk to you.
Yeah, man. Okay. Alright.
Deidre, when you finish wash your plate, then I want you to buy some egg down and shop for me. I'm not talking for conduit now. And them something you may talk to your mother about you, you know. You have no manners. Better I'm broke now. Take it from me. You know them little something you're supposed to can use your mind and say, you know what? Auntie have it hard. Let me come and wash up the dishes. You know, if for some people you have to wipe car glass and all kind of other things. If you glad say, me do you so good, me treat you well. Me not deserve this, Deirdre. One man. Right, man. You can do better, Deirdre.
Yo, Jerry, you see Akeem going on the field with you. Yo, the dog right now, thing hot up. Yo, who that girl? She put something on, set up to her. Nice girl. Good girl. Mama. All there. Sexiness. All there. Ugly girl. Tough girl. You hear man I call you, man, I want to you.
And we are called tough girl. Tough like your mama. Your favorite SSP down at L.
You go butterfoot girl, I sound stay now. You go long man there compliment you and say, yeah, behave. As man just say something bad, I sound ear. You see all them girls, that's why I'm going to deal with them more time in my house.
Achoo, man.
Man, sorry. What are no ways, man?
You want to do what's up, man? You don't stand hold that up.
Oh, the war again, the brother.
Go, my brother. You alright?
Oh, where there?
You say your sister here still. Can you get your sister one money for do her ear? Nobody tell me the excuse. That every time I see her is an excuse.
Me what? I don't money I know.
I don't want an excuse.
I don't money I know, sis. You see what I'm saying?
Every
Not
time.
there, no money.
I'm tired of that, no. I'm tired. You must can't treat your sister to her ear. You look at your sister ear. You can't make people out the road say you have woman look nice and look at your sister.
Yo, give me a son, man. See right now, what you there, yo. Give me a son, yeah. What I'm on this? I'm take this. I'm about to come back to you know. I'm about to come back, you know. This bag of nice. Now, what kind of yard this? What? What, this bag of excitement? Now, what kind of yard this?
Come back again, car party, and come up and go want some food.
Listen, man. Just go on, man. I'm about to foolish, man. Most one papi show yard this to her. You don't understand this. So I go on here. If I come and make one bag of loud nice with the excitement down him something, man. What do you know, man? Make everybody know my business. I say left man gate. I say left man gate. Before you never come and see me, I said the left man gate. See all you know? You make people run in from people and do some bag of things, you know. It's alright, man.
Come down here for no reason.
Deirdre, we are there.
Mommy, dad. Yeah, mommy.
Alright.
Yeah.
Everything good? Just come off on the phone with your auntie, you know. Yeah. And you know the things that my shot tell me where you go on with it is not yet like I don't like it, you understand? And right now me's not in a position to help you, that is why you stay with her. I know sometimes she can be miserable and all of these things, but she's helping me out, she's doing me a favor. You understand what I'm saying to you? Yeah, so any little thing when she tell her to do around the house, do it. I'll sometimes don't even make she tell her to do nothing. You do it before. You understand what I'm saying?
I can't bother. I just feel stressed in that house day. Feel stressed, God knows. Sometimes I can't even sit down in peace. Me I watch TV, she call me Deirdre.
Deirdre, them not something the way you complain to me about. Them not something that not necessary. You see me, a simple thing like washing a plate and wash your own clothes and them something there. Are you for do them something that you're a young lady, you understand? Right now, is the only problem you're supposed to have is having problem with your school work. And if you're having problem with your school work, you get somebody to help you. You understand? You see what me have to do and you see how me I live. You understand? Me don't want you to come out like me. I want you to come out to something good. You understand me? So not bother with what my sister want to say and help do everything around the house. Help her out. You understand me? You hear me I say? Yeah, I saw life going on. And you're a young lady. I want you to come out to somebody. I want you to come out to be somebody in our life. You're not go up there forever, you know. Yeah, you're not go up there forever. When I was your age, a whole heap of other something I needed have to do. We don't pick nowadays, we don't have internet and there's something that we teach you know and show you what to do. We'd have to do everything from scratch. You understand me? I tell you, so you don't worry your head and I'm going like you want disrespect her. You understand? Do every little thing what she tell you to do. You understand me? Because in the future, you're gonna see that she was helping you out.
So girl, waiting. I can't ready me got a party.
Girl, anything you wear still look.
Waiting.
You have to go wear that, you can wear that or
So,
anything.
make sure you know.
Yeah, your bottom will go cock up.
Alright. So, this me for them, yeah?
Yeah.
Alright.
So you're good to go. I just Diandra we have. Me a text her to see. Cause
You don't just sheen and...
I'm gonna make you all long, you know?
You know, I go wear this. Cause this, show a little shape and something.
I hope you wear something nice. Cause I be a short, so I wear what you wear short. Cause I'm gonna just in a long skirt and then something.
You could just stick a church real good.
I'm not gonna test so. No. This is gonna make your bottom look bigger.
Girl, not just I said that, you know, cause you don't want to tell me. Remember when I go, I want to look like me ready, you know. I don't want to look flap.
You're not gonna look flat or fat. You're just gonna look simple in the short.
Girl, make sure, cause you know people stay. You know me stay.
You're not look no way, girl.
No one
Honest, you know
ready.
say talk truth, you know. This will make your bottom look big, girl. You're gonna look nice in this make. But this nice too, you know. But this are gonna make your bottom look extra big.
Where the Alicia? Did he get the money?
Yeah, me get the money, but I don't know what. The boy short the money. Right now, me I get tired of him right now. I'm get everything I want. And me can't believe me can't get all of my money. I'm give me half of my money. Right now, me I get tired of him.
So how come I buck you up down here, sir? Where you come down here, sir? Come do now.
Auntie send me come buy like 2 eggs, but the shop locked.
Okay, alright then. Why not then? Come and know say your auntie will wait for you and everything.
And you know later, we want to go to a party and I know so she go send me.
I'll make you talk to my sister. I'll make sure allow you to go to the party. Okay? You have the money for go out. Alright, me I go give you some money for go out. Alright? And the money after you use for you to buy your own drink when you go to a party. No make nobody buy no drink for you. You understand me? No take no open no liquor. You understand me? And drink to as much as your ability. You understand me? No drink for get drunk. Alright, so some money here, alright? I'll tell your auntie some soon come, alright?
Alright, mommy.
Alicia, what do you make a red shot? Because it's all good for me.
Alright, we are anything you want. Let's see that look good anyway. See your phone over there, sir.
Hello? Alicia, I'm so come back here.
Alright.
May I come? The woman in there, so.
Me don't know so she did it. You know how little time you want to spend with them before party, so me can go link her again.
Can I say that when I come back home?
Alright, me link her party, yeah?
I'm just not in I wish I do this for so long.
Yes, you're rude. I'm not wearing no. Yeah, then I call him. Mommy! Mommy! Mommy!
Oi, so we are not my name so far. What me I know?
Me don't ask if you are going night town.
Yeah, me go down in night town, but me I finish wash out them here. Them here so, and then when I'm done, me go down there walk my way one.
Not true, me do you want to buy something for me?
So where you get money from?
And the money I'm save up from school.
So what on there? So you dress up so like you go somewhere. Make sure not plan your plan for the yard, no little girl. Just try make sure you know. I'm not want to bring nobody out of my place, you know. And that may I tell you. Right? Because me not understand, you just interested to find out if me are the yard and when then you just dress up so like you go somewhere. If you ever left the yard today, mark it 10, just know where you go get when you come back in. You hear me I tell you? I'm come back off the road and you know something. And I'm come see nobody in my yard and you know something. Because I'm tired of talking
not go nowhere. I just dress up in the yard. Everything you just a cuss. So.
If you like, give me something to talk about and cuss every day about. Mona just a cuss, I get up and cuss like my mad. So.
But mommy, me simply ask you something I come take out a problem them for me.
It's alright. You go and talk, you're free to talk, you hear? That may I tell you.
I come go in there. Me simply ask you if you go somewhere come want to buy something for me. I come go. So, I'm going to tell you when to come. It is either I call you or text you when to come. You can't come. Alright? Love you too. Odien! Oh, you're there!
Chanel!
Yeah?
Come here then. Alright, I'm going to town now. So, I want you to take out the clothes off the line for me here. And take out the chicken for out for me. Hey, and make sure you don't left the yard, you know. Make sure you don't come out the yard, you know. Because if you ever come out the yard and broke your neck in today, you hear me say?
Yeah.
Where do you say you want tonight town again? Where do you say you want?
I don't want nothing. That good.
You sure?
Yeah.
Alright. So I go and soon come. I have to take out the something for me and take out the chicken till I come back, alright?
Yeah.
Alright.
Hello? You can't come now. Alright.
You're not happy that? Happy there go.
Your mother don't know yard them young go.
Oh.
So she not long there?
Yeah, she down there. I like how you live good. I not live far out. Want to keep up that. I like that about you. A long time when I come, you know. You understand? You especially, I just like you because I don't hear your name and mix up in a bag of man and them something there. You understand what I say? And that's a good girl. Them kind of friend them want my daughter to have. You understand what I say?
Yeah, man. She come like a sister to me. Red Channel, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
I like that. This when I go down there, tell her if you take out the chicken, remember if you take out the chicken and take out the clothes off the line. Here.
Alright.
Alright, I'm gonna be able to say everything. I'll come back. Alright? Later.
Send me some sexy pictures, show me what I'm complete, and I'm about the foolishness, If people they just go in that bathroom and take some pictures. I want some sexy picture right now.
Chanel!
Who that? How are you?
I just see your mother up the road.
Just a share going night town, sir. I'm supposed to go night town, I never know say you stop by.
So like you have plans, so like you have somewhere to go. But anyways, your mother said remember you have to take out some out of the fridge and take out the clothes of my file. So where you go?
Girl, I tell you that I told me I go deal with something. And by the way, which plans you have talk about? Everybody just watch me so. And me alone can't go do nothing.
Excuse me, I don't have food now so we can eat.
I'm cool, girls, man. Long time I see you.
Long time I see you too.
Boy. Oh, you good?
Yes, brother.
Alright, good, man.
Long time I see you.
I'm glad to see you still.
So much clothes you have found there.
You have to go wait because my friend there, I never know if she should stop by. But I'm not that fat still. She loves sleeping, so I'm going to give her something for she sleep. And,
It sounds like I can't see one can't see it for me.
Friend, I'll stop by. I never know if she should stop by. And that go on, man.
Alright. As soon as you drop a seat, you call me, yeah?
Chanel! Chanel! Chanel!
She will call me.
Chanel!
Yeah!
Chanel!
Yeah! We are coming so for somebody dead?
But take out the clothes them, cause the time like it set up like rain and go fall and then dry. Yeah, guani. I should have allowed the lawyer. Can't get me a help. I should have left them, make them wet up and make your mother come broke you. You come and guani.
I know you are come talk about. You see because sun and sun act and talk about rain and go fall.
Party nice man.
Me have more on there now, so look at juice here.
Thanks. hungry, but the patty tastes extra nice. Come on, extra of your hair around it.
So now carry the juice. Carry the juice when I have to drink it.
Look at sun Jones, me up on the clothes and me have to take up and wanna sleep.
Did I use the sun not hot?
And to the time they look overcast. I wanna sleep.
You have to hurry up and come because I don't want my friend to wake up and she doesn't sit at the house. So hurry now.
She want to go with Mwana, bola bola Mwana, if I'm at the I see her with the dirty boy again. I hope I use condom.
How are you talking about, Abby? After I'm not going to do nothing, I'm going to town, I go.
You hear me? I warn you. The man they can't give nothing. Remember say you're underage and a big old man that. Girl, remember me I want it and a workless man that him workless.
Me I come go in here because you can't go and chat and believe what you want believe. Because me I tell you some girl and son, me not go do nothing.
She not there here.
Look, if you mean come to another mother, because she done broke up in nose and skirt. And would help her, because she's not here.
I take me for idiot. You come here and call me, you know so she not there. How for this?
Most of the boy them had this up at the gate last night. And most of them drop it out there.
No, you know. No, after you see you look a girl that dull so when nobody talk to you. You might think say I like me, I like it when me I tell her this. But me I tell her for your own good. They say your mother have it hard with you already. Me I tell her say just do what you have to do and you not even listen to me. Give me this.
But watch ya, give me something man. You're gonna laugh at me and for your money by it.
Me really job?
Money for fix up my TV. Even though no one I get my 30,000 to fix up my TV, but I want it back, you know. Guess that TV around there, so I might look fun and enjoyment. That to you, me I say, as a matter of fact, I want to fight for. One could have worked, but I long enough come and apart. I want now. Hey, wait there. I hope no man on in here war boy, you know. Because you look a pitney. I know say you're very prime. Come, hey. I don't know, you know, but when I find my 30,000 fix my TV, you know. What are they really? So really, I be a shadow, what really a fight? Because I can't afford to now war over and mash up all my TV. What really a fight over? You talk to me.
You want me tell her what happened? You want me to tell her what happened? Or you want to tell her what happened?
It's no matter want to talk about this. But that hurt me right now, you know. I'm gonna lay down.
Somebody what really go on. You have no plan to tell me what really happened.
When you know what go on, yeah? Sometimes I'm empty.
Alright, I just saw the ticket to go. Fly high, fly low, mark it down, 10 in here. When I have to go find back that 30,000 and fix back my TV. You don't think my TV I go so? Because I know I must push this to now war over. Remember me tell you no that. You hear? Remember me tell you no that. Because I know I foolish to now war over. I mash up my TV by the enjoyment. You know, man? When I fly low, not forget about that.
Hello? Sorry for the fight. You really can't make this much of a friendship. Remember, so we're friends from a long time.
Understand that, girl.
Anyways, I have something to talk to you about. Yeah, if I always think, man, not have to whisper.
Yeah, and out there can come. Alright.
Alright.
No, I know.
No, something wanted.
How are that now?
I'm pregnant.
Yeah, breed?
Yeah.
After the same dirty boy me that one about?
Yes, him same one.
Me tell about him, you know? Me tell about him. So your mother know about this?
My mother can know about it. Remember, say me young. My mother can't know about this.
So what you plan to do? Keep it or dash it away?
Me I keep it. I don't have money for that straight pitney, so.
So you feel like you're ready for one pitney?
I'm not ready for that pitney because right now I'm now work. And if my mother find out about the situation, you know what I'm things.
Best advice me can give you after dash it right now.
I don't have the money. I give me some money.
I don't have any. Or you go to your mother and tell her the situation and see what she can do.
Because I say my mother can't know about this. I now work. Plus, girl, my mother can't.
So what you gonna do? You don't know the man and police can lock you up or lock him up because you're underage.
Girl, right now I can't. I don't know what to do.
I mean, know me did that one about the boy. Me tell you.
Babes, wagwan. But then, you know, miss me. Yeah, I miss you too. You don't even know I miss you, baby. Can't stop thinking about you. Yeah. You know, don't know, man. You know, so me now a little spot though. I don't know if you can give me a little helping hand, you know. Yeah, I don't know some TV mash up. I don't know where to find the first dollar, you know, for buy back one. Yeah. But 120,000 feet, man. Even half you can make me up with. Yeah. Yeah, man, send it to Western Union, man. Remember, say you can't send it to me because they block me. Yeah. So my daughter have a little friend there where I'm gonna make she collect it for me. Yeah, man. So you make do I send you the information. Yeah, alright. And then you will just send your information to me. Yeah. So we can deal with alright then. So yeah, babes. Yeah. So yeah, see I plan to travel. Yes, I mean, we can't wait for you to come. But you wanna be able to go push down your date a little bit further down the certain month. Because you don't know, say my time of the month, you know. Yeah. I know, man, I know. Just go and hold it, baby, because I hold out too. You see it? Alright. Yeah, man, thanks. Hey. 120,000 pity not even knows this. Hey, some get extra. Chanel! Chanel! How are you, girl, man? I don't tell her to the yard.
Hello? Hello? May I come to mother, yeah?
Remember if I talk to her about the situation, if I not want she plan to put you out, you can come stay with me.
call you. I'm not tell you say this left yard. Eh? Much time tell you left yard. Anyway, my friend there, when I go down our street and I go collect little food for me.
Should I know this, sir?
I want you to link her because I have a piece of money I want to go collect for me. You see?
Alright.
Hello? Oh, that you know. Alright.
Alright.
You get tired?
Yeah.
Alright, I'm going to wait for her then. So wait till I'm to you, you know. Ain't nothing, no. So why you look on my phone and I as me I come? How? I'm gonna text up on phone. Well, as a matter of fact, give me the phone and let me see it. Mister, give me a phone, man. Give me it. Hey, pull the phone. Pull the phone.
See the money that do not own.
You need to do nothing, no? Wait. It's alright, I must find out what you're up to, you know. I must find out here. You say any day, I find out say a man you have little girl. Let me tell you this. You might go straight to prison, that me I tell you. Hey, me don't even talk. You say if you ever breed now this girl, me tell you something, your grandpeople, them have whole heap of land you go and farm. I got a tongue go sell bag juice, because you're not staying here with it. And that me I tell you. You know what? As a matter of fact, go on and go find something for doing that house. No! And I make me talk twice. You must think so me an idiot. You think me a fool, you think me born big. I say the day and day I find out say a man you have in this year. Right through the door you go. Come in out to the sun, man. Now go right back and run her back. Throw her back there be something. Now call her come back here.
I see. Hello? So me I call you from the other day, I not get you. From me I have sex, me I call you now and say for me not get you, I want him. But anyways, me have something to tell you. I'm pregnant. Hello? Hello? So really hang up the dirty boy hang up on me? So that something me a do.
So how you man run yourself on the phone? So you love ends up by yourself on the phone. Now what interest on the phone so?
No, me have something just check on the phone.
You know, something you check on the phone. Something you check all the mind things say me an idiot. All your little mind things say me an idiot. Anyway, your friend round the saw wait for you all long. So here what? See paper the information. We're going to call it something. 160,000. Not a dollar less, not a cent less. And I'm wait too long. You hear me? I tell you, go on and come back.
I mean, what I want? No.
say nothing to your mother yet about it?
Girl, not for me if you tell her say me a breed. My mother say if me a breed, she put me out and girl, I can't tell my mother.
But girl, I can't keep this fella, I can't keep that secret to your fella. I say your belly I go show you know.
Mother don't say girl, come like you want my mother to hear.
Just stand there. You're lucky on me. Anyway, take it, I'll go find her.
But anyways, I was telling her mother, do you want to go now?
I mean, I need to change my dress. I have to change back this and put on my dress. Girl, I don't know body saying I go breed. They done breed already. So it's either you tell her mother or me tell her.
Ladies, where are they? Good? Alright, cool.
Yeah. I have to tell her.
Girl, you idiot. Don't tell my mother.
Cause when I tell him the boy make me nearly fall out. I mean I know you gonna have sex without condom, girl. What kind of style then there? Tell her if you dash your boy and the boy not call you from your breed.
Girl, if me had the money for dash it away, I'ma dash it away. Girl, right now I'm just confused at the moment. I'm confused.
You like a money are the problem, but yeah, I have a little style, but it's very risky. You can't make you not have no more pretty for the rest of your life, so.
Here, I'm not here. Just come to me.
Alright, girl, come and show me.
Girl, I feel like something for taking my money to deal with something.
Deal with what?
The pregnancy for dash with the belly.
Girl, you're mad. Mama say me I collect money in my information is collect the money in your mother that cost me out.
But just that ask. Anyways, I'm gonna find another solution. Cause I just ask me that ask.
But girl, you know you could have never ask that. Anyway, that is a stupid question.
Dean! Yo, Dean! Yo! Huh? Sure.
Dada. Jano.
Yo, today you tell me my youth. No bother with that now. No bother with that now. Today you tell me
Dada. Yo, Jano, brother. I don't feel like a grown thing now, brother, isn't it? Well, yeah, we're gonna look emergency roll up, isn't it? Alright now, on the live cash permanent fund. You see what I say? But yeah, we're going. I know if you can just give me a little bit more time, you see me, because my girl for deal with something for me today, you see me? So I can make her get some money, you see me? But up until the top, I tell you, honestly, I have no money for me, Dada.
Brother, I every day story this, you know. I to them want the money, you know. I today, you know. Yo, and a later. Just a later. It's alright. It's a different ball game. I look upon if later come and I get my money still, you know. Yeah, my youth, I take you as a bridging. I take you as a bridging. You decide, say, yo, you can pay back by X time. And all now. Brother, me I warn you. Brother, me I warn you.
Yeah, for going so still no cause, you see me? I do not tell you say my girl I forward in today, you see me, with some fun, you see me? Just a little bit more time me ask for, you see me? I don't know if I go on so dog, I meet the whole neighbor would know me a business dog. Watch nothing man, I start out the business man, you see me? You know me not style them with them, a long time you a friend.
Yeah, I hear you know. But I just how you deal with things, you know, brother. Brother, you could have deal with this better than that, you know. You say you know I'm loud up and you don't want people to hear your business, but if you don't deal with this thing, you would have to reach us. Brother, you're a big man, you know. I can't believe you do me this. Me apart from school days, me there with you. Brother, you don't need to go around me. But you don't say a woman come at X time. So, you go see how you deal with it today. Then we are going to know how we can separate the boys from the men.
Yeah, man, I understand.
Don't give me your word. Well, you give me your words over and over. But this time, I take it as the last. My youth. I make it reach no further. I make it reach no further. When I have to turn this in a different ball game. To be forewarned is to be forearmed. So what you want me to do? You want me to wait or what? Because you don't tell me say a woman are coming up.
I know say I'm busy man still now. You see me? I know say if nothing probably have things to do in a day. So if you have nothing to mash up, you can mash it up and give me back a link still.
Cut your bullshit! Come talk about...
Brother, I'm not bullshit dog. I tell you, dog. I'm not going this time around dog. You see me? Because I know say a long time, you see me? You link me and can't afford for you to link me constantly, you see me, without me have a thing prepared dog. So now watch nothing, I get a thing sorted out dog. You see me? Just give me, as I say, give me a little bit more time. I say if you have something to sort out, just start it out and just give me back a link. You see me? I go there right, so I'm not going to
that's how I remind you. Today at the day. So if you know say you go around me, you know, just know it go. Here we go. I'll link you back in 15 minutes. And when I come back, I don't want no talking. So, deal.
Yo, in 15 minutes, dog? Brother, we can't scratch me in 15 minutes, brother. Yeah, you man, see, just give me an hour or two, brother. Just give me an hour or two, brother. We start out a thing, man. But 15 minutes, brother, come on, man. Me even spit a gun, it never reach in 15 minutes, dog. Daddy, come on, man.
Alright. You say an hour or two. You say it, you know. I'm going to give you time. Because look like you dig your own grave. Know yourself. 2 hour time.
I did this, you know. But, yeah. Yeah, B. Hey, boy, some food in the bar. You know some more? Yeah, B. You think you can give me a link in a day? Yeah, man, isn't it? I want to chat to you about something. So if you can reach my foot. Yeah, man. Alright then. You don't know what you mean. Well, since I started saying about coming time the mango did in, you see me I say? Just 1 and 2 left now still, but I have 2 in the can give still now ready to move now.
Come in like mommy, you know. Just a story the mango them say when mango done out, I know. Remind me of mommy.
That's that man, but no, don't worry yourself, man, everything will go alright, man.
You know, me have a little situation.
What about?
Alright, brother. You don't even know me. I have a situation and I have a surgery for you.
Where's this is? Surgery?
Yeah, brother, surgery.
What can, for what? What happened to you?
Don't know.
Man, talk to me, man. It sounds like you don't even want to say what you want to say to me. Talk to me, man. What you say?
Brother, the same thing where Same thing happened to Mama, man. Same thing.
Sis, you serious? You serious? Right now, a joke you tell me right now. Yeah, you tell me foolishness, sis.
You have a sleepless night.
A joke you make, sis. Right now, this sound like one curse the power as a family. Oh, sis, yo, sis. What go on? Where are they? No, some man just run for you. The money thing there, did you get the money? Oh, I never get none, John. Yo, don't watch nothing still, man. Don't watch nothing, man. Nah, man, you don't have to worry about that, man. You see me? I sort out something, man. Just little time, you know? I sort out something. I make something reach you, man. Yeah, I'm one sister, man. I don't have nothing to you, you see me? Yeah, man, no watch that. Everything is good. Alright. No watch that. Alright.
Alright. Yeah, but remember say you can't send it to me because them block me. Yeah. So my daughter have a little friend there where I'm gonna make she collect it for me. Yeah, man. So you make do I send you the information. Yeah, alright. And then
Ladies, where are they? Good? Where are they, sis? Everything good with you? You girl there. What the?
Remember to pay your mother the money.
Yeah.
Now go down, go change and come.
Yo. I know how this still know, but I tell you what I go on. No, see you're breathing. I know you know why your mother find out. I know you're underage. So here what you go do. I know if you have to collect in some funds, you know. You don't worry about all this, man. I say I know I need to know. I just need to work out, me tell you what to work. Now here what I got. I know if you get in some money, you know. So here what I do. I want you left 100 grand in a brown paper bag right up at the column. So I say, as a matter of fact, I tell you this, a life and death thing this is going to reach, you know. Just make sure you do what I tell you, you see me? I'm serious, them way the man, you're dead.
Alright. Now go get the money and put it at a spot there so you can get it.
Alright then. That sound, yeah. You see me?
Do not tell my mother.
You know watch that, man. Me hold my end of the bargain. Yeah.
People come as fast as me could want.
You know, you know, say, that piece of money they really want to borrow for you because kind of like a spot, you see me? I know you stay.
So you could have said that over my phone. Yeah? How much money you want, so?
You know, say, yo, it's a 50 grand. I look for borrow.
50? What me forget 50 grand? What me forget 50 grand? You know, what me I do? What kind of work you see me I do?
B, I know you just asked me how much money I want for borrow, B. I'm tell you say I want 50. Yo. Matter of fact, forget it here, man. Me find out everything good.
Me will try. You think me just have $50,000 put on, so?
No, so that's not about never.
Me will try.
You don't make me know so you ask me how much and then I make you know how much is me and then Yeah, I'm over type of way, you see me?
But differently no be, you know, so me think of some sort out you want, you call me. Well, come up here in the mood and thing, you know, if you find out the money.
Yeah, easy still, no. Yeah, I'm still kind of stressed out in the day and I can't try that.
So no, that's why you should have linked me, man. Release some stress.
What else for coming? Come on.
You're dead! You're dead!
Yo! Yo, that's man, come across me. Bro. Yo, Dan, here we go on. You know, so I left the money up at Column in the creases. Here we go on, man. No, don't think say I fool me, I fool around this time around, you see me? And I fool me, I fool you. Me just run come did something, so I just stash it off, you see me? So here we go on, just go up on the column, look between the creases of the wall, and see if you see a thing, brother.
But that sound like some joke thing you take this on. Like you don't understand how we are dealing with it. How? We deal with it too good. Like you fly past all the nests now. Yo, which column you talk about?
You
I
know
let me
that's
ask
the
you.
first day, enough time me hang out the brother. So you know which column I only column me really hang out, so you know me I talk about. I just stop going so daddy. I mean I tell you, I not send upon no wild goose chase.
You could have mad.
I tell you say the column. You see me? We just have something to deal with it and I couldn't bother to stay up the road and wait. You see me? I can't even explain what something will reach me now, brother. You see me? A whole heap of stress me right now, you see me? And I make sure so I sort out. I make sure I sort out your thing because I'm that one stress more off from my brain. So I say just go easy, man. You see me? You don't have to bother with the one bag of loud nice, brother, and something, brother. You see me? Here we go. Hey, see there? The two phone them. I'm a car key. Two phone them car key. Hold them. Go up on the column now and go search and see if you don't see it. And if you don't see it, you can just hold on upon them there and go sell them or do what you want to do with them. But make sure so when you find the money, you just bring back my thing, them come give me.
I wonder where money there. Could I look weird say you put the money underneath the mattress to backside. But you know to my head because sometimes let me take out the money and I not even remember to buy. No sir. Remember to buy. No sir. I wonder if we put it in this blue card. No sir. No women get the money.
You sound like it. You sound like it. Because here, you know, mark my words. Now write it down. 10. 10 you not there. And sell them. So you decide. You could have mad. You could have crazy. You could have sick. Yo, I'll link you back in a few.
Say you put the money under the mattress. But nobody not come about me and Chanel there. After Chanel give me money, I put it on there. I say I go ask Chanel. I say I go ask Chanel. I'm just serious saying it.
Like I eat this man take man for now. No brown paper bag no there, sir.
I know so I could have swear Mr. Chanel come for another little corner for me the money on that mattress. You know, so I could have a little girl I go take out my money from underneath the something. Hold on there. Watch me and all blouse and skirt and all. Chanel! Chanel, where my money there? Look at girl, my money there. You alone know it's from my money. Where you say you don't do it? I better say I'm murder you know this. Hey, girl. Hey, girl. Where my money there? Shut up. Hey, where my money there? Hey, where my money there? Hey, where my girl, me say my money there. You alone know it's from my money there. Hey, me you don't know about my money there. Shut up. Hey, where my money there? Hey, where my money there?
No, you need. No, let me car. She's pregnant.
Where you say? Wait, you know what? I know you're dead too. Where you say you do? Wait, what she say you do? What me so? Breathe out, why you fi breathe? Wait, backward.
Morning people, open up like the movie. Remember to like, comment, share and subscribe. And you can post those notifications.
Talk to the people them. You know you have to talk to the people.
Look in the camera. You can put on me, but nobody knows.
Anyways, people, Felicia, yeah.
Anyways, people, Felicia Cooper here. More big up AV. And want to know if you like, subscribe, and share.
What you mean? What you mean? What you say, my general? Tell the people what they know.
You see, it's still this. I don't know a thing, isn't it? Jamaica, big up yourself, you don't know a thing. Like, subscribe, share. Isn't it? Big up my mother, big up my father, isn't it? Big up the whole Atkins family. You don't know Mumpella the place, isn't it? Tell you that right now, big up the whole Mumpella gang. Isn't it? Easy yourself, no man. Big up AV, big up Akim, big up Akim, you have to big up yourself, you know what I say? I don't know. So big up my brother and sister, them seeing you, Mika, Richie. You know the thing, isn't it?
I don't know, no look out for me, just put in some work, I put it together. When I see me next in the episode, you see me? I make you laugh till next year then time. I hear that Ojo, the 1 Saviour and 1G. But Instagram, I go send out my sneakers business. When I check out for the body Air Jordan, the body Retro 23, them when I look
alright, yeah, ain't take too much of this stuff, you know about that?
And action. And action.
Well, pause it, cool. Mister, give me your phone, man. Give me it. Hey, pull the phone.
See them neither do nothing.
You neither do nothing, no? Wait. It's alright. I must find out what you're up to. You know, I must find out what I'm going here. I must. You just wait.
She come here.
Action.
Start
Action.
Girl, you idiot. Don't tell my mother. If my mother find out about this, my mother go kill me. You want me? Me tell her so she'll go on the veranda with me. Yeah, idiot girl. Me not no money for that show the belly. Do not tell my mother. Me not tell my mother. Me don't see her. No, me can't say me don't see her.
Action. Action.
Yo, brother, you are going now. You know, say you must run.
When I want.
It's like that.
And action. Check some more, man. Take a little more time, man. Check.
Don't see she asleep.
Yeah, check a little more, man.
Ready?
And action. And action.
I know say a long time I not get no sort out and thing. And every 2 days my nature call. So I want that.
Yes, people, board grand once more. I'll tell you if you check into AVTV. You don't know. Over here, so there. Yeah, man. In the east, Yeah, more you see what I go on because I'm put in the work and I tell you, trust me, the thing them hot. You know, I don't know how to do best. Go over there, go subscribe, like, comment, share. You wear the pen pound. You don't know. Your boy Grant. Stay tuned. Up.
Action. No, down the same.
Down, sir?
Again. And action. Action.